Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rashmi Patil, Senior Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist Laparoscopic Surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. I know Dr. Kamini Rao Madam since so many years, and when I heard about this, I felt really good because it's a hybrid course. It has both online as well as the offline facilities for you to attend. They conduct live sessions which are there, and even the recordings of which are available on the website for us. And also they have the basic modules which are already the recorded sessions which you can go through their excellent website. And these all materials will be there for us for the study purpose, and even till during the exam it is available for us for all the revision purpose. And it has been taken excellently by our expert mentor, Dr. Kamini Rao Madam, Shantala Madam, Dr. Meenakshi is there. It has been really helpful for us to prepare for that. Currently, I have come here for the simulation course, which is on-site, and they have excellent simulators. And the modules that have been covered for the ovum pickup, the IUI process, embryo transfers, they have been teaching us very efficiently. And we have been practicing that over the modules, which almost gives us like a real patient feel. And it also tells us like which step we are doing wrongly and how precision matters during the ovum pickup, and that's what is going to give you the best results. After that, I'll be coming again for the clinical attachment, and I would say that all the classes, they have been really helpful. They train you from the basics till the advanced things in the fertility, and they keep you updated regarding even the ethics, the laws that are associated, different topics like even surrogacy, and what all the recent advances that we have in the IVF process as well. It has been a great journey so far, and I have seen so many number of gynecologists being benefited from Medline Academics. I wish Kamini Rao Madam and the entire team very successful year ahead, and may they produce lots and lots of good fertility specialists around this globe. Thank you so much.